At this very hour, television history is being made, the first 3D broadcast of the Masters tournament.
But what about those glasses that you have to wear? They look clunky, some are uncomfortable. I've tried that firsthand this week, and they may only work on one maker's TV set. What is that all about? Well, as we continue 3D TV Week, we're joined by XPAND Chief Strategy Officer Ami Dror. Ami, great to have you, and I have to be honest with you, we did try some of the glasses on. Yours were a little bit better than some of the other makers, but comfort's an issue for me as a viewer, so how do you address that?
Well, obviously the glasses need to be much lighter, and the glasses that you have here right now are not the final glasses that we are releasing in June. It's not only being comfortable, it's also a personal item that you carry with you from house to house, from the living room to your bedroom and to the cinema eventually. So they are lighter and they are extremely comfortable, but the biggest challenge is actually how do you deal with the fact that there is no standard in this industry?
So that you need, I mean, basically the glasses you're going to release in June, though, correct me if I'm wrong, are going to be for everything, correct?
Exactly.
So, okay.
They're universal 3D glasses.
Okay.
And that's actually our solution to the market, because right now Sony glasses will work only with Sony TV.
Well, how do you do that then? Because we've got LG, Sony, Samsung, Panasonic, a lot of other companies jumping into this space. Acer's making laptops that are 3D. We were at a Consumer Electronics Show and saw all of this. It's very inspiring, but it almost seems like there are a bunch of disparate pieces. How do you make it so that your glasses are a standard that will work with just about everything?
Well, we've been in this industry for the last 25 years, and most of the cinemas actually outside of the US are using active shutter glasses for cinemas. For us, using multiple format was a part of life from day one. So the way the glasses are working, they're scanning the different protocols. And when they recognize a protocol, they lock on the TV. If they don't recognize the protocol, they're moving to another TV, etc., until they find the right protocol.
All right. So, you know, if you're going to have these, are all the makers your competitors as well? Are they going to be kind of going for the same thing, which is glasses that you're going to introduce which are compatible with everything? I mean, this is going to crowd the market space for you financially.
Yeah, definitely. We are actually very active in the Consumer Electronics Association in trying to standardize active shutter glasses.
How do you avoid these becoming commoditized, if you will? Meaning you want to make sure that they're quality enough that you actually have a decent margin here instead of just stamping them out and then suddenly they're just pennies on the dollar.
Well, it's very hard to make them pennies on the dollars because there is a lot of technology in them. You know, those eventually there are two small LCDs that are like two little televisions, so you cannot make them extremely cheap. But obviously, we will see in the market very low-cost glasses and very high-end glasses.
What's the price point here?
Right now, it's about $150.
$150 for those. Okay.
And then you got to pay.
But definitely the price will not stay at this range. You know, right now we are looking at the really early adopters that are taking those glasses with them, and we will see a price drop. It's
okay.
Unavoidable.
So you think, are you going to drop the price for the June glasses, or are you going to actually, are those going to be more expensive? Because they are going to be compatible with everything.
Well, I think that at June we will not drop the prices down, but I think that when we'll get to the shopping season, by the end of the year, you will see a price drop.
Wow.
Ami Dror of XPAND, he's the chief strategist, and we wish you good luck.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It's a very exciting time, sort of at the beginning of an industry that you say you guys have been in for 25 years, but it's really getting to be major now. Thank you.
Thank you very much.